Okay, right. So we have plus, minus, multiplication, division, and modulo. So these are arithmetic operators. Okay. So if I have an arithmetic operator, fine. I have an expression also. What is the expression? So one, Firasat, you are there. Can you just unmute yourself and talk to me, please? Firasat, you are there? Not there? Absconding? Anything? Okay. Soumya Ganapati, you are there? I didn't allow you. 1 second, wait, 1 second, 1 second. Mute all. What is unmute themselves? Okay, mute all. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Follow.
I can.
Yeah, okay,
Yes.
right. So, Firasat, what is the first one? Tell me, we'll solve it.
Guess the output, sir.
Yeah, tell me the first one, first problem. Read out. 1 plus 2.
1 plus 2.
Yeah, multiplied by 4. Then
Star 4 plus 5.
plus 5.
Minus 2 plus 1.
Minus 2 plus 1.
Modulo 2 divided by 2.
Modulo 2 divided by 2. Okay, so what is this called as? This is basically called as an expression, isn't it? Okay, so what is an
Yes, sir.
expression? Expression is nothing but a combination of operands and operators when
And
put together.
operators.
Yeah, operators when put together will yield a particular value. So that is called as an expression. So this is an expression
Yes.
which has a combination of all arithmetic operators, that is plus, multiplication, subtraction, and modulo, division, and all that. Okay, so if you have an expression which contains all these operators, all these arithmetic operators, from where will I evaluate? Which one should I evaluate first? Okay, that becomes a problem, isn't it, guys? Okay, so what is it we have to do? Okay, so Java gives us something called as priority role, or something called as your precedence role, right? No, it is called as precedence rule, precedence or priority rule, or you can also call it as priority rule. Okay, so what does this rule say? This rule will give you the importance of these operators, like who is having the highest priority, or who is having the highest precedence, or who is having the highest importance. Okay, so who is having the highest importance? It is multiplication, okay, division, and then modulo. These three are having the same priority, that is the highest precedence, and plus and minus is having the second priority. Guys, am I fast? Am I slow? Am I moderate? Tell me what is it so that I can continue. Am I moderate? Yeah, okay. So these are called the highest, star, division, and modulo are having the highest priority, and plus and minus are having the lowest priority, right? Now, having said that, in that case, whom should I evaluate here? Tell me, which one should I evaluate in that case? Okay, so I have star, I have modulo, I have, division. All the three are having the same priority, isn't it? I have all the same priority. Now, why should I execute only multiplication? Why not, modulo, or why not division, right? So there is a problem here. All are having the same priority. When all are having the same priority, we have something called as associativity. So Java gives, okay boss, when you have all the same, we have multiple operators in an expression that is having the same priority, then it is difficult to figure out which one to evaluate, whether to evaluate, multiplication, whether to evaluate, modulo, or whether I have to evaluate division. So this becomes a problem. Therefore, we have associativity called as left to right. Okay, left to right or right to left, right? So all arithmetic operators will follow left to right associativity. Okay, so what do you mean by this left to right associativity? Left to right associativity tells you that when you have multiple operators, okay, of the same priority in an expression, then which one will you evaluate first? Okay, whichever comes first from left to right. When you move from left to right, whichever comes first from left to right, okay, evaluate that. Okay, so you guys tell me now, among all these star, modulo, and division, which operator is coming first from left to right? Guys, tell me which is coming first from left to right. Okay, it is star, isn't it, guys? I want everyone to participate, not one or two. I want everyone to participate. Yes or no? So Sahil, are you understanding? Sahil is there in the class.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand what I'm saying, Sahil?
Yes, sir.
Sahil, what are you studying?
9th, sir.
Yeah, so Sahil is the most youngest student, in this class. So I'll just cross check with Sahil if he is understanding. Is that okay, guys? So don't think why Subhash is only calling Sahil, because Sahil is the youngest student of the class. So let us give him little bit of extra support. Is that okay, guys? Right now? Yeah. So he's in 9th standard. Okay. Yeah, fine. So Sahil, did you understand this? What I'm saying? Okay, so
Yes,
the star, modulo, and division are all having the same priority. Okay, so out of this, which one should I evaluate first? Whichever comes first from left to right, right? Now it is multiplication is coming first from left to right, right? So I will evaluate it. Okay, so 1 plus 2 fours are how much is it? Okay, 8 plus remaining I will keep it as it is, minus 2 plus 1 modulo 2 divided by 2. Okay, no, right? Now, tell me guys, multiplication is done. What is the next operator? Which is the next operator that I have to evaluate now? Tell me. Okay. So out of first priority, okay, we have modulo, right? Now modulo and division are pending. So which is coming first from left to right? We have modulo operator, correct? No. So shall we, I will evaluate that, right? So 1 plus 8 plus 5 minus of 2 plus, okay. So how much is 1 more 2? How much is 1 more 2 guys? Okay. How much is, when you divide 1 by 2, how much is remaining? Okay. It is 1 only. Yes or no guys? Right now, yeah, it is 1, right? No, it is not 1 divided by 2, it is 1 modulo 2. When you divide 1 by 2, how much is remaining? Okay, remaining is 1 only, right? Yeah, so then divide by 2, correct? So now which one should I evaluate next guys? Tell me, which one should I evaluate? Okay, so even modulo is over, so I have division operator, so shall I evaluate it? Okay, yeah, so now what will I do? 1 plus 8 plus 5 minus of 2 plus, so integer operator, integer will result in an integer, therefore 1 divided by 2 is how much? It is 0. Correct? No, integer operator, integer will result in an integer value itself. Correct? No. So if both the values are integers, then the result will be an integer. I have told you this in the previous session. Okay. Now tell me what is the, now which one should I evaluate now? So all high priority operators are over. All the high priority operators are over. What is pending is plus and minus. Correct? Now which one should I evaluate first? Both are having the same priority, that is 2. Now which one should I evaluate first among them? Okay, so it is plus. So whichever is coming first from left to right, this plus is coming. Therefore, I'll say 9 plus 5 minus of 2 plus 0. Next, what will I do? 9 plus 5. How much is 9 plus 5? It is 14 minus of 2 plus 0. Okay, how much is there now? 14 minus 2 is how much? 12 plus 0. Now, what will I do? It is 12. So the answer is 12. Okay, so can you write down the answer as 12, guys, on the material? Write down the answer as 12 in the material, guys, quickly. Yes, quickly. Write it down. Done? Do you write down? Okay. Yeah. So Firasat, can you tell me, can I remove this, or you want to take a picture? You want to write it down? I feel you must write this down instead of taking a picture. Okay. You must write it down. Yeah. Wrote. Shall I go to the next one, guys? Shall I go to the next one? Yes, no? Everyone? Shall I move to the next one? Yeah. Okay. Firasat, you are there?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Yes. So shall we go to the next one? You tell me what is the
Yes,
next
sir.
one, Firasat?
Next one is 1 less than 3.
Okay, 1 second, Firasat, 1 second. Guys, did you understand the first one? What will be the output of system.out.println result 1? Did you understand, guys? Guys, everyone, did you understand? I'm repeating again. Did you understand that? Yeah, okay. So second one, tell me what is the second one, ma?
1 less than 3
Okay, result 2, right? Result 2 is equal to 1 less than 3, okay?
equals to 4 plus 5
Equal to 4 plus 5, okay?
less than or equals to 6
Less than or equal to 6, okay?
not equals to 3
Not equals to 3, okay?
less than 5 plus 1.
Less than 5 plus 1. Okay. So what, Firasat, what does this expression contain?
It contains
It contains arithmetic operators.
conditional operators and arithmetical operators.
Not conditional, relational operators. Correct.
Yes,
It contains
relational
relation.
and arithmetical.
Turn your page to page number 17 and you can see the type of operators. You have relational operators, isn't it? So you have
Yes, sir.
relational operators as well as you have arithmetic operators, correct?
Operators.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what are those relational operators that are available for us? Tell me. Less than, or
Less
equal to.
than or equals to, greater than or equals to,
1 minute. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, then
equals to, and not equal to.
equals to, and not equal to, right? Okay, out of
Yes.
this, who is having the highest priority? Who is having the highest priority? 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, and these two are having the second priority. Okay, no, right? So, and the associativity is from left to right. Is that okay, guys? Right, no? So, the who is having the highest priority? All these are having the highest priority, and equal to and not equal to are having the second priority. Okay, right? Now, having said that, now, but this is this expression is containing both arithmetic and relational operators, Firasat, isn't it, Firasat?
Yes, sir.
No? Now, if that is the case, then whom should I evaluate first now? You have both arithmetic and relational. Okay, so who must be given the highest priority? You have arithmetic and then you have relational. Whom should be given the highest priority? Okay, so always
Mathematics.
ARL. This is the formula. You should use this. Okay, so first priority is given to unary operator. Second priority is given to arithmetic operator.
Arithmetic, third one relation,
Exactly.
and fourth
fourth
one
one is to
logical.
logical. Okay. So in our example, now we don't have unary operator and logical operator.
Logical.
So it does not bother about it. We have only arithmetic and relational. So first we have to evaluate the arithmetic operators. Yes or no? Yes,
Yes,
or no,
sir.
Firasat? Yeah. So
Yes,
in
sir.
arithmetic operator, whom should be given the highest priority? Okay.
Here we
Star.
have only plus.
Okay, no, generally it is star, division, modulo, and then it is plus
Second
and minus,
priority
correct?
plus
No,
and minus.
plus and minus. So do we have this multiplication, division, modulo over here?
No, sir.
No, so let us not worry about it. So we have plus and minus, isn't it? So we'll have to
Yes.
first evaluate plus and minus, correct? No?
Yes, sir.
So we have plus here, we have plus here, right? So which one should I evaluate first now?
Left
Tell
to
me.
right associativity.
Exactly.
4 plus
So
5, sir.
yeah, hold on. Okay, cool. Yeah. So arithmetic operators have the associativity from left to right. Therefore, we have to evaluate, okay, the the plus operator that comes first from left to right. Therefore, it is 4 plus 5. Yes or no, guys? Guys, are you understanding? Am I fast? Am I fast, guys? Tell me if I am fast. I can slow down. Am I fast? Okay. So can I proceed with the same speed? Okay. Okay. Right. Now, thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Right. Okay. Now tell me, Firasat, which one should I evaluate now first?
From left to right associativity,
That
it
is
will be
4
4
plus
plus
5.
5, sir.
Therefore, how much does it become? 1 less than 3 equal to how much is 4 plus
9,
5? It is
9
9
less than or
less than or
equals to
equal
6.
to 6. Not equal
Not
to
equals
3
to 3
less
less
than
than 5
5
plus
plus
1.
1. Okay, let us have. Next, which one should I evaluate? I
5
could have
plus
done this here only, but let me go step by step. Okay. So, yeah. So 1 less than 3 equal to 9 less than or equal to 6, not equal to 3 less than 6. Correct? No? So I have evaluated all the arithmetic operators. What is pending now? What is pending?
relational
Only
operators, sir.
relational operators. Correct? So in relational operator, who is having the highest priority? Okay,
Less
less than
than.
is having, less than or equal to is having, and less than is having. Correct? No? So equal to and not equal to is having the second priority. Correct? No? Okay, this is
Yes,
having
sir.
high priority, this is having high priority, and this is having high priority, and equal to and not equal to is having the second priority. Correct? So which one
Yes,
should I
sir.
evaluate first? Whichever comes first from left to right. Correct? No,
Left
because
to
our
right.
relational operators follows left to right associativity. Right? So now, so shall we solve this, guys? Is that okay? Yeah. Now tell me, Firasat, how much is 1 less than 3?
True, sir. 1.
It is true. Hey, no one. Who is that? Hey, Firasat, this is not C. This is Java. There is no one and all. So relational operator will always result in Boolean value, true or false.
Okay, sir.
Is that okay? In C
Okay.
language, non-zero value was considered as true, or one was considered as true. Here, no, it is not like that. Is that okay? Yeah,
Okay, sir.
true equal to, let me keep rest of the things as it is. Okay, not equal to 3 less than 6. Correct? Now, which one should I evaluate next? Next, which one should I evaluate? One is
Less than or equals to, sir.
less than. Why not equal to?
Because it's in second rank.
Second priority. Correct? So we'll have to finish all the first priority operators. Very good. Okay, therefore it becomes true equal to. Okay, is 9 less than or equal to 6?
False, sir.
It is false, so this will result in false. Okay, not equal to 3 less than 6. Okay, next, which one should I evaluate here? Tell me.
3 less than 6, sir.
Exactly, right? So false, not equal to, is 3 less than 6?
True, sir.
True. Okay, right. Next, which one should I evaluate now? Both are having the same priority. So left to right, which
Left to
comes
right
first?
associativity.
Yeah, is true equal to false?
No, sir.
No,
False.
therefore this results in false. Correct? No, not equal to true. Correct? Now,
Yes, sir.
is false not equal to true? True, no?
True, sir.
True. Therefore, the answer is true. Therefore, result 2 will contain true. Put that in the chat box. Put that on your material. In the material, you put that. Say true in the material. Did you see the return type for result 2? I have made it as Boolean. You see that? Yeah? Okay, cool. Okay. Did you write it down? Shall I go to the next one? Shall I go to the next one, guys? Okay, now. Right? So, next one, I want you to solve. You will solve it or you want me to solve? You will solve it? Next one. Guys, will you solve it by yourself? Next one. Hello? Yes or no? There is no fun in me solving it. Okay, I'll wait for you. Then we will see, right? So, Firasa, tell me what is the next one?
Next one is result 3 equals to 4 plus 5.
4 plus 5.
Less than 6.
Less than 6.
Plus 6.
Okay.
And 3.
And 3.
Plus 1.
Plus 1.
Less than 4.
Less than 4.
Or 5 plus 1.
Or 5 plus 1.
Equals to 5 plus 1.
Equals to 5 plus 1. Correct? No? Okay.
Yes,
so
sir.
we will solve it together. Okay. No, first of all, who is having the, okay, Rajiv, sir, can anybody please share the material? Rajiv will share the material with you in the group, okay? Rajiv, is that okay, Rajiv? Yeah, don't worry, we will share it to you after the class. Is that okay, Rajiv? Yeah, okay, cool. Now, so guys, now who is having the highest priority? Who is having the
Arithmetical operations, sir.
okay, first of all, this expression contains what all are operators?
3 operators.
What are those? Arithmetic,
Arithmetic, relational, and logical.
arithmetic, relational, and logical, isn't it? Okay, so we have arithmetic operators, we have relational operators, we have logical operators. So who is given the, who must be given the highest priority? First is
Arithmetic.
arithmetic, second one is relational,
Relational.
and third one is logical. This is the priority that we have to follow. Okay, so in logical, okay, among and or, who is having the highest priority? Who is having the highest priority among these two guys? Tell me. Always and is having the highest priority and or is having the second priority. Okay, no. So then we have something called as not operator that comes under unary operator. Unary operator is always having the highest operator, highest associativity compared to others. Is that okay, guys? Is that okay? So for now, who is having the highest priority? And operator is having the high priority and or is having the second priority. Guys, is that okay? Is that okay, guys? Everyone just say okay in the chat box so that I can proceed. I'll understand that you have understood that. Okay, super. Now, everyone know? Guaranteed? Yes or no? Yeah, awesome. Now tell me, guys, like which one should I evaluate now? Firasat, will you help me out?
Yes, sir, I will help.
Okay, tell me, Firasat, which one should I evaluate among this? And you should tell
Yes,
me the
sir.
reason also, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
First, we have to prioritize the arithmetic operators, and
correct.
it has associativity left to right. So first, we take 4 plus 5.
Okay, so first we have to evaluate arithmetic, and arithmetic operators are having the left to right associativity. And so out of arithmetic operators, do we have star, division, modulo here? No, right?
No.
So we only have the second priority operators, that is nothing but plus and minus. Only plus, correct? Not even minus, right? So fine, we will evaluate this. Tell me, Ma, how much is it now? 4 plus 5,
9.
is it?
9.
9 less than 6 plus 6, and then with 3 plus 1
Plus 1
less than
less
4.
than
I am
4.
showing you step by step, okay? That is the reason. I could have solved it in one line, but let us go step by step so that you understand. It goes in 6. Sahil is there in the class. That is the reason, okay? Yeah, tell me, Ma. Next one, what is the next thing we have to solve?
6 plus 6, sir.
6 plus 6 or 3 plus 1?
6 plus 6, sir.
Why
Left
not
to
3
right.
plus 1? Left to right associativity, correct? This comes first from left to right, right? So 6 plus 6 is, it is 12. And with 3 plus 1 less than of 4 or with 5 plus 1 equal to 5 plus 1. Okay, then tell me, which one should I solve next?
3 plus 1, sir.
It is 3 plus 1. This one, right? Very good. So
Yes.
9 less than 12 and with 3 plus 1 is 4 less
4.
than 4 or with 5 plus 1 equal to 5 plus 1. Okay, next which one should I solve?
5 plus 1.
5 plus 1. Okay, so 9 less than 12 and with 4 less than 4 or with 5 plus 1 is how much? 6 is equal to 5 plus 1. Okay, which one should I solve next?
5 plus 1.
5 plus 1, which is it? That the last one, isn't it? Therefore,
Yes, sir.
9 less than 12 and with 4 less than 4 or with 6 equal to 6. Okay, done. So all arithmetic operators are over, no? Firasat?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
which one should I solve now?
Now we should solve relational operators, sir.
Yeah, so U, A, R, L you have to follow. No unary operators were not there. Arithmetic operators are done. Okay, relational operators are now pending. Okay, now out of relational operators, who is having the highest priority?
Less
Okay,
than, sir.
less than is having the highest priority and second priority is given to equal to, right? Now, okay,
Yes.
tell me now which one should I evaluate? Why not this
9
one?
less than 12.
Why not 4 less than 4?
Because of left to right associativity. sir.
Exactly, correct. So 9 less than 12 is how much?
True.
9 less than 12, true. And with 4 less than 4 or with 6 equal to 6. Okay, next one.
4 less than 4, sir.
4 less than 4. Okay, so true. And with 4 less than 4 is how much?
False.
This 4 less than 4, it is false. Okay, false or with 6 equal
6
to
equals
6.
to 6.
So now which one should I evaluate?
6 equals to 6.
Yeah, so true and with false. Okay,
Or
or with 6. This is
true.
true, isn't it? This is true. Okay. Now all relational operators are over. Okay. Now we
Yes,
have pending logical operators. So which is having highest priority and
And then
operator? Yeah. Now tell me what is this? True and with false. What is the result?
false, sir.
False, no? True and with false is always false. Okay. Or with true, no? It is true. Therefore, false or with true is how much?
True,
False
sir.
or with true is nothing but true. Therefore, the value of result 3 is true. Okay.
True.
Can you put that in the material, guys, quickly? Can you put that in the material? Quickly put that in the material. Write down that in this in the material. Is that okay? Did you write it down? Yeah, everyone. Okay. So now everyone solve the next problem and tell me. I'll be waiting. Solve it in your book and tell me what is the output. Next one, solve it in your material and tell me what is the output. Quickly, I'm waiting. Next one is quite interesting. Okay. Can you logical it is left to right. Ramya, logical it is left to right, and for not operator it is right to left. For all unary operators it is right to left. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So runtime error, runtime error, runtime error. Okay. Runtime error. Okay. Okay. Firasat, what do you think?
Sir, I think 5 by test wire will give runtime error, sir. Num by test wire.
Okay. Right. So Naresh is telling something. Naresh, can you unmute yourself and talk to me, Naresh?
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Naresh, you are there?
Yes, sir. Sir, can you hear me, sir?
I can hear you, but very lightly.
Now, sir?
Even now.
Uh,
It's okay. Tell me. I'll try to tell me.
Sir, actually, we are operating with the double and no, sir.
That is
Whenever,
and logical and.
logical and. Whenever it first itself falls, now it will stop that, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now listen to me. Okay. First, let me write it down. Tell me that expression, Naresh.
Actually, we have two variables, sir. Test int
okay.
test var is equal to 0.
Okay, that is okay. Tell me the expression. Test var not equal to
0. And then
0 and
num divided by test var.
Num divided by test var.
Greater than 10.
Greater than 10. Okay, right. Now, what is the associativity which I told? I mean, what is the precedence I told you?
UARL.
UA?
RL.
RL. Okay. Now, which one should I evaluate first?
Divided by.
Divided by. Yes or no?
Okay.
Naresh, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then what is num value?
Num value is 10. 5.
Num value is 5.
5. 5.
5, no? And 5, what is test var value?
0, sir. 5
Yeah, so therefore 5 divided by 0 should give you what?
Error, runtime. 0.
It should give you a runtime error, yes or no? But it will not give you runtime error, that is the problem. But this will not give you a runtime exception. Guys, it will not give you an arithmetic exception, it will not give you runtime exception, it will work without any error. Understanding it? Okay. Now listen to me carefully. I understand that there should have been an error, but you remember I told you about short circuit operator, guys? Naresh was right. What he told was actually right. Okay, no, guys, let us solve this. Okay, yeah, you remember what I told you about short circuit operator? Okay, Naresh, tell me what is a short circuit operator? Tell me.
Whenever we operate with short circuit operator, in logical end, if it is first itself, it false, no, it will result in false.
Okay, see, this is left hand. This is left hand expression of and this is right hand expression of and. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Correct. No.
If it is left false, it will
Yeah. So I told you in short circuit operator, if and for and to work on the right hand side, okay, if suppose the JVM has to evaluate on the right hand side of and, then the left hand side should be true. Yes or no, guys? If it is yes or no, if it is true, then and then yes, you're getting what I'm trying to tell you. Okay, people who don't understand, listen to me. Short circuit. Okay, you remember I told you about short circuit. How does and work, guys? Tell me. Okay, true. 1 second. Okay, let me explain the short circuit once again. It's slight confusing for you guys. Okay, false and with false. Okay, false and with true. Okay, true and with false, and then true and with true. Okay, what will this result in? False and with false will result in what? False. Okay, false and with true will result in what? It will false. False, true and with false will result in what? False. True and with true will result in what? It will result in true. Correct now, guys? Right now, tell me. You remember I told you that okay, for and operator, if in the first side, that is on the left hand side, if it is false, okay, should the compiler check what is there on the right hand side, guys? Or the JVM, should it check what is there on the right hand side? Not required now, because it knows on the right hand side whether it is true or false. Anyways, the expression is going to become false only. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? The same thing is happening over here. Correct? No, though this arithmetic operator is having the highest priority, Java is little bit intelligent enough to understand that okay, there is an and operator and there is no need to actually okay follow the same priority in a strict manner. That is why in page number 17 I have given a special note. Did you see that, guys? Did you see the special note I have given? Firasat, can you please read that special note? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Page number 17. Read it out.
There is no explicit operator precedence table in the Java language specification, and different tables on the web and in textbooks disagree in some minor ways. See
Read out.
below code example with testware to realize.
Yeah, stop. So this is the example I showed you purposefully to make sure that Java's priority table will not work the way it has been mentioned. Okay. Yes, Java language specification will give you a priority table if you go and check the Java language specification. But yes, sometimes it doesn't work the way it is actually given. So you must be very careful when you're dealing with operators like and all that, short circuit operators like and. That is what I wanted to prove you with this example. Okay, then continue.
When using the logical and or operators, Java does not evaluate the second operand unless it is necessary to resolve the result. See below code example with testware to realize.
Guys, did you understand this? Did you understand this, guys? Yes or no? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So now, having said that, what will be the output of this? The output for this would be false. Is that okay? Guys, you understand? So for this, you must understand short circuit operators. Is that okay, guys? Hello? Okay. Can you please mark it as important, because that will be asked in an written test and interview. That is mandatory. They'll ask you in interview. Pakka. When I attended interview long back, they asked me this kind of questions. It is important. Please mark it as important in your material. I've given specially for you only. Okay. Right. Now. So Firasat, next one. Shall we go to the next one, guys? Shall we go to the next one? Yeah. Okay. Next one.
Boolean bool test is equals to true.
Okay. So before that, one second, Firasat. Guys, in the previous program, no, that is testware, that is and operator. What if I want, both the side to be evaluated? Then what is that I have to do? Tell me. If both the side I want it to be evaluated, then what is it I have to do, guys? Tell me. Exactly, right. So instead of instead of double and, you have to use only one and. Okay. So that I've given you in the below example. See there, guys. In the below example I've shown you. Did you see that? There is something called as try this out in page number 18. There's something called as try this out. Did you notice it? Try this out. And in the try this out, you see that second example I've given single and, not double and. Did you notice that, guys? Guys, did you notice that? Hello, did you notice that in the second example? There you'll get a runtime error. There you'll definitely get a runtime error. Is that okay? Clear? Just say clear in the chat box. I'll show you that practically, don't worry. Okay, clear? Concept is clear. I will show you that practically, you will get an error there. Okay, right. I'll prove that to you. Right. Okay. Now, yeah, Firasat, next one.
Boolean bool test equals to, sir, is it equals to or not equals to, sir?
No, it is equal to not true.
Equals
that is a logical, not true.
Okay, sir.
So what is that? It is bool test. No, it is bool test. Bool test equal to not true. So what will be the value of bool test? When I say not true, what will happen, Firasat?
False, sir.
When I apply a not operator to a true value, that becomes false. Therefore, false will get stored into bool test. If I apply a not operator to a false, what will happen? It will become true. Correct? No?
True. Yes, sir.
That's what it is. So write down the answer is false. The answer is false. Okay, next we have something called as conditional operator. Okay, how does that conditional operator work? Okay, so it is like this. Tell me, what is it?
If the first
Greater than,
first operation is true, then it will
okay, cool, Firas, I'll tell you it. Okay, question mark 1 is to 0. This is called as what operator, guys? Tell me, Firasat, what operator is this?
conditional operator,
Yeah,
sir.
there's one more name. What is it? What
Ternary
kind?
operator.
Yeah, it comes under ternary operator category. It comes under ternary operators category, correct? So how does this work? Ternary operator, first of all, it will have a question mark. Okay, so before the question mark, there would be a condition which will result in either a true or false value, Boolean value, correct? Yes or no? Before the question mark, there will be an expression, Boolean expression, that must result in a true or false value. Okay, and if that Boolean expression results in a true value, this one, that is the value that is immediately after the question mark, will get stored into num. If this expression results in a false value, then the one which is there after the colon will actually get stored into num. Is that okay? You want me to repeat that? You want me to repeat it? You want me to repeat it, guys? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yeah, very simple. Okay, so it is like this. You will have an expression. Your question mark value 1. Okay, I'll call it as value 1 colon value 2. Okay, this is how it works. Okay, then I'll have one, I'll assign the value to something else, right? So how does this work? This expression can result in either of two values, yes or no. It can either be true or false, correct? No, guys, yes or no? Okay, this is a Boolean expression. Boolean expression can either be true or false, correct? So if it is true, then store value 1 into num. If it is false, then store value 2 into num. Is that okay? Is that okay? For ternary, should we use data type, sir? What do you mean by ternary? We should use data type. I did not understand. Okay, Joshua, can you unmute yourself and talk to me? Joshua, you're there?
Sir, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me, what is
Sir,
it?
we haven't used any int or boolean type.
Yeah,
here.
might be it is a typo. It is a typo. Okay, in the program you're asking, right?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, in the program I think it is a typo. So what are we storing? We are storing 1 or 0, right? I think we should make it as integer. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
Are you sure that I have not used anywhere?
Sir, I don't see anything, sir.
Yeah, correct. I have not written. I think it should be int number. Is that okay, buddy?
Okay, sir.
I think it is a typo. You should use a data type. I understood. Okay. Right. Okay. Fine. Guys, did you understand this? Now, having said this, now tell me what is the value of num here? Tell me. What is the value of num here? Tell me. Okay.
0, sir.
5 is 5 greater than 6? False, no? It is false. Therefore, 0 will get stored into num. Therefore, the num value is 0. Is that okay? Right. Awesome.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, we have already declared num is equal to 5 now, sir.
Where we have declared?
In the result 4 questions.
Correct. Yeah. Who is this?
Dhyanish, sir.
Dhyanish. Correct. So, guys, did you see that? Joshua, it is given, see there. Num is equal to 5, it is there in int test var is equal to 0 and num is equal to 5. Joshua, it is there. Okay, fine. Joshua, is it okay? Yeah, it is there. Thanks, Dhyanish. Thanks for telling that. It is there. Num is there. Okay, awesome. Okay, fine. Now, shall we go to the next one? Be very careful with the next one. It's quite interesting. Okay. Yeah. Tell me what is the meaning of a plus equal to b? What operator is this? Guys? What operator it is? A is equal to a plus b. Correct? No, it is nothing but compound operator. Correct. So it is nothing but a is equal to a plus b. Okay. Now, Firasat, what is the problem that we have in our program?
Val plus equals to 3.5, sir.
So int val 1 is equal to 3, correct? Okay, and then val 1 plus equal to 3.5. Okay, now tell me, guys, what is the output of this? What will be the output of this? Firasat, tell me what will be the output of this?
Sir, it will be 6 because we take val 1 as int only. That's why the operation will give integer value only, sir.
Hold on. What is that? Tell me once again.
It will give 6, sir.
It gives 6. Why?
Sir, because
One second. Guys, listen to the conversation that me and Firasat will be having. Okay, it's very important. Yeah, tell me, ma, what is it?
Val 1 is an integer, sir.
Val 1 is an integer. Okay.
So when we add val 1 to the
no, that now you don't tell me. Okay. Tell me. Okay, fine. Tell me.
That's why the result will also be an int. No, sir, the result will be a float.
Why?
Because if one operator is a float, then we must change the other into float, and the result will be a float.
Okay, then it is equal to int val1 is equal to 3 plus 3.5, correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct, no? Yes or no?
Yes.
It should be, according to the law, it should be like this, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, listen to the conversation. Later we'll come to a conclusion. Is that okay? Don't chat anything, don't type anything. Let us listen to the discussion first. Okay, then we'll come to a conclusion. I'm telling you, no, you remember I told you in compound operator, there is a small trick in the last class. I told you, right? So listen to me, right? Yeah, don't think anything else. Now listen. Now, Firasat, is this a valid statement actually?
No, sir.
Why it is not valid? If it is not valid, why is it not valid?
We declared int, sir, but we are having a float number there.
This is not float, this is double.
Yeah, double number, sir.
So what will happen? What does the rule say? If either of the operand is double, the other one would also be converted into a double, and the result will be a double, isn't it? So this must be a double value, correct? No?
Yes, sir.
And I am trying to store a double value into a integer value, correct? No?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, this must result in an error, isn't it? Compile time error, because compiler will not allow you to store a double value and integer value, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Guys, agree, disagree? One second. Kausalya is asking, why do you say double instead of float? In Java, if you want, no, in anything, whether it is C or Java, if you want to make it as a float, you have to put F. Only then it is float. Else it is a double version of 3.5. Float is 4 bytes. Double will take 8 bytes. Okay, Kausalya? For now, it is a double. Okay, so you guys, you agree with my question? What I'm actually asking? Okay, if either of the operand is double, the other one must get converted to a double, and when you're storing a double into an integer, compiler will not allow, because in page number, I don't know what is the page number 14, I've given you the diagram which is allowed, which is not allowed, isn't it, guys? Yes or no? Right? So now, yeah, but here, but this will not give you an error. This will not give you an error. Okay, no, I have done deep research into this. This is not going to give you an error, because, okay, not because Java has designed it in such a way that, okay, listen to the trick very carefully. Okay, the result will be converted into the type of the, okay, first value. That is, what is it? It is 3. Okay, it would be converted into this. Therefore, the output of this would be actually 6. 3 plus 3.5 would basically must result in 6.5, but Java will make sure that there won't be any error, and it will only give you 6. So the type will be converted into the first type. That would be done implicitly by the compiler for you, especially only in compound operator. Only in compound operator, the type would be the answer would be equal to the, okay, type of the first value. That is, if suppose you say, I mean, internally, how will this get converted into, okay, val1 is equal to val1 plus 3.5, right? So the answer will be equal to this particular data type itself. Therefore, the value is 6. Okay, now quickly see the second example, the same compound operator, the second one. Can you guess what is the output of that, guys? Quickly, the second example. Firasat, tell me what is the second one?
Sir, it will be 6.5 F.
It would be 6.5 F. Yes, right. Correct. You're understanding. What is the second one? It is, tell me what is this? It is float, is it?
Yes, sir.
It is float, right?
Val2 equals to 3.5 F.
Float val2 is equal to 3.5
F.
Okay, then
val2 plus equals to
plus t equal to 3, isn't it? Right. Now, when you say the output, one second, guys. One second. There is some. One second. One second. Guys, give me a moment. Pratiksha, give me a moment. I did not understand the question. My system is just hanged here. Give me a moment. Okay, yeah, tell me what is it? 1 second, 1 second, Firasat, 1 second. Pratiksha, what is it here? Can you unmute yourself and talk to me? What is it? What is the doubt? Pratiksha, what is it? Pratiksha, I did not understand your question. Okay, let's continue. Firasat, tell me, Firasat, what is the output now?
Output will be 6.5F, sir.
Yeah, why? Because let us do it once again. Int val1.
Float value, sir. Float.
No, from first we'll do the previous one. Int val1 is equal to 3. Okay, and then we have
Val1 plus equals to 3.5.
Plus equal to 3.5, correct? No, and when you do this, the result will be equal to the val1. That is the type of val1. That is the reason it is after doing 3 plus 3.5, it will not give you any result. It will rather result in 6 value. Okay. The second one, what was it? It was float.
Float val2 equals to
is equal to
3.5.
3.5f, okay, which is floating point, and then we have okay val2
plus equals to 3.
Therefore, what is the type of val2 over here? It is floating point. Therefore, the result would be 3.5 plus 3 would be 6.5.
6.5f.
Okay, but say in reality, nobody would actually do such kind of things. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that this is how it works in Java. I showed you, but in real time, when you go do the projects and all, nobody will put such kind of dirty stuffs in their code. Is that okay? But it is good when you actually go and attend your interviews. They might ask you some tricky questions like this, and the nonsense fellows are there in interview who will ask such kind of questions. If I was your interviewer, I won't ask such kind of questions. But yes, just in case, I just showed you this. Is that okay, guys? Is that okay? Yeah. So I just want you to understand that this is how it works. Okay. Now, so can you tell me the output for try this output? Okay. First one. Second one, I've already told you. Try this out. First one. Try this out. First one. Can you tell me what is the output? Do it in your sheet of paper and then tell me. I'm waiting for you. Guys, do it. Are you guys doing? Yes or no? Are you guys doing? I'm waiting for you. Yeah. Quickly, tell me what is the output. Do it one by one slowly. Sir, page number. Nice. Now you're asking page number. Very good. Vaishnavi 18. Page number 18 here. Try this out. It is there. No. In the try this out, I've written replace the below statement in the above code and guess what happens. Boolean result 3 is equal to 4 plus 5 less than. Are you getting true? Is it? Firasat, shall we do it?
Sir, let's do it, sir. It's too confusing. I got it true and then 4 or true.
Oh, is it? Okay. Let us. That is why I asked you to try it. Okay, what is there?
Yes.
Result 3 is equal to. Tell me what is the answer?
4 plus 5 less
4 plus
and
4 plus 5 less than 6
plus 6
plus 6
and 3 plus 1
3 plus 1
or 5 plus 1 equals to 5 plus 1
equal to 5 plus 1 equal to 5 plus 1. Okay. Tell me what will happen now.
First we should do the arithmetic operations.
What are they? 9 less than 6 plus 6
and 3 plus 1
plus 1 or with 5 plus 1 equal to 5 plus 1. Okay. Then
9 less than 12
9 less than 12 and with 3 plus 1 or with 5 plus 1 equal to 5 plus 1. Okay, then
9 less than 12 and with 4
and with 4 or with
5 plus
5
1
plus 1 equal to 5 plus 1. Okay, then
9 less than 12
9 less than 12 and with 4 or with 6 equal to 6. We'll write it up. Okay. Next, what should I do? Tell me.
Now we should do that relation operator.
Do relational operator. 9 less than 12.
True, sir. True and with 4.
True and with 4 or with 6 equal to 6, isn't it? Okay, next what I should do?
True AND with 4.
True
Or
and with 4 or with the 6 equal
true,
to
sir.
6. True. Okay, then what I should do?
I got struck there, sir. I got
What is that? Tell me where you got. What is the next thing I have to do? Tell me.
AND, sir. True AND 4.
True and 4. How is it possible? It should be
That's why
Boolean expression, no?
yes, sir.
That is why I gave you to solve by yourself. Therefore, this will give you a compile time error. Understanding? This will give you
Okay, sir.
compiler error. Compiler will say, boss, there is no Boolean expression for and operator. Correct? No? You're
Yes, sir.
understanding it? Pratiksha is telling answer is true. How Pratiksha answer is true? Pratiksha, how answer is true, Pratiksha? I'm telling you, it will result in compile time error. You cannot, and needs on the left hand side and the right hand side to be a Boolean expression. Whereas here there is some integer value over here. So this will not work. In C language, it would have worked. In Java, it will not work. So this is based. Pratiksha, did you understand? Pratiksha, did you understand, Pratiksha? Pratiksha, where are you, Pratiksha? You understood or not? Okay, so this will result in a compile time error. Is that okay? That is why I asked you to solve. Okay, so guys, shall I execute this program? Guess the output for you. Like execute this program, guys. Yes or no? Tell me quickly. Should I execute? Should I not execute? What is your opinion? You want me to execute? Okay. Operators.java. Is this the same program? Is this the same program, guys? Yes, no? Let me run this code. Java C operators.java. Java operators. Okay, guys, am I getting any runtime error for that and operator? That is, what is that? Result 4. Am I getting any output? I mean, runtime error for result 4? That 5 divided by 0. 5 divided by 0. You remember I told you 5 divided by 0. Yes or no, guys? 5 divided by 0. Result 4. Result 4. 1, 2, 3, fourth operation. Am I getting any error over here? No. Therefore, short circuit operator is working over there. Exactly, Firasat. Yeah, right. It is short circuit. Okay. Now, shall I change that and to single and? Shall I change that to single and, guys? Yes or no? Where is that? Where is that? I have to change. Okay. I have to change it here. Correct? No, I will change it here. So, what are you expecting if I change this here? Tell me. What are you expecting it? You are expecting a runtime error. Why? Because because it is a logical AND operator on the left hand side and the right hand side, both will get evaluated. And when both gets evaluated, this num is nothing but 5. 5 divided by test var is nothing but 0. Okay. 5 divided by 0 must result in a runtime error. Okay. Let me run this code once again. Okay. And I will say operators. Okay, you get an expression, I mean exception, divide by 0 exception. Did you see this, guys? You get a divide by exception 0. Okay, divide by 0 exception. Is that okay? So now is it clear, guys, about short circuit and non-short circuit operators? Is it clear? Yeah, it came here. Correct? No? Clear? No? Very good. Very good. Okay, so mark it as important. Mark it as important. Very important, guys. Very important. Some textbooks have not given this. That is the reason. Very important. Mark it. Okay, right. Now, okay, now let us go to the next concept. Okay, now we'll call, yeah, Firasat, you ready? Firasat, you are ready?
Yes, sir.
Guys, there are many people who will think why Subhash is only calling Firasat's name. Okay, it is because Firasat is representing the whole class. Is that okay? So when I say Firasat, are you ready? It means all the class is ready. Guys, did you understand what I'm saying? Yes or no? Okay, this Joshua will think why Subhash is talking only to Firasat, some special care for Firasat. This Joshua will think. This Joshua is a little bit, a smart fellow. That is the thing. Yes or no?
Sir, no, sir.
No? Kidding.
No, sir.
Okay, I was kidding. Don't worry. Okay, yeah, fine then. So Firasat is representing the whole class. Okay, I like Firasat's voice. Nice voice, like Lata Mangeshkar voice she has.
Sir, you must be kidding, sir.
You thought serious, then I am kidding only. What you thought I'm? Do you think I'm serious? I was kidding. In fact, yeah. Let us know if Lata Mangeshkar gets to know God case.
Damar.
Damar, come on. Now guess the output. So we have some programs to solve. We will solve the program later. So we'll finish off all the theory part first. Okay. So guess the output first one. Can you tell me what is the output of first one here? Guess the output. So read it first and then.
326 plus 5 is.
3. So the output would be 3 to 6. 3 to 6 plus 5 is, yeah, tell me.
3 3 1.
Huh? 3 3 1.
3 to 6 plus 5.
So what will happen when, see, this is a string, no?
Yes, sir.
This is
No concatenation.
Yeah, this is basically a string. So string when added to a number, that is 3 to 6, what will happen? What will be the result? This entire thing will become a string, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
3 to 6 plus 5 is, okay, so this will get concatenated with this, isn't it? Firasat, yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It means in that case, this entire thing will become a string. Guys, yes or no, guys? This entire thing will become a string, right? And then this will get added with one more number 5. Therefore, this entire thing will get actually concatenated as a string. Correct? No? Yes or no? Therefore, the output will be 3 to 6 plus 5 is, okay, 3 to 6, 3 to 6, 5. This will be the output. Understood or not? Guys, understood or not, guys? We discussed this in Subhash 5, 5, 5, 10, 5, Subhash and all that.
Yes,
Remember
sir.
we discussed this? Yes or no? Okay. Go back if you don't understand. Go back to page number. What is the page number, guys? Tell me what is the page number? Page number 9. Page number 9. You remember Subhash plus 5 became Subhash 5. 5 Subhash 5 Subhash. Page number 5. Go there. Go to, sorry, page number 9. Go to page number 9. Okay. Sahil, you didn't get page number 9. Go to page number 9 and see. I've explained that in page number 9. Okay. You remember page number 9. Subhash plus 5. What will happen to Subhash plus 5? Plus 5. What will happen to this? Okay. String when getting added with a 5 will get concatenated. Subhash 5 and then again Subhash 5 5. This entire thing will become a string, isn't it? Okay. Similarly, here we have a string called as, what is the string here? We have 3 to 6 plus 5 is as a string. Okay. So 3 to 6 plus 5 is, this is a string. Okay. This when concatenated with a number 3 to 6 will become what? Okay. This becomes 3 to 6 plus 5 is, this number gets attached to this. Therefore, it becomes 3 to, okay, 6. Again, this entire thing will become a string, isn't it? Rahul, you first answer this question, or Rahul, please. Let us not deviate from here. Okay, let us first do this question. Okay, so next is plus 5. When you're asking this, what happens? Others are concentrating on your question and they will not know this. So listen to it. We'll do that. Okay, that you take it as your own assignment and do it. Okay, now plus 5. Now what happens? Now this string when getting concatenated this with this 5, what will happen? Okay, so it becomes 3 to 6 plus 5 is 3 to 6. Okay, this gets attached with this. Therefore, the output is 3 to 6 plus 5 is 3 to 6 5. Is that okay? Guys, do you understand this or not? Is there a space between plus and 5, sir? Where is it? After is there is, where, yeah, where? Nikita is asking, sir, if there is a space between plus and 5. Where, ma, plus and 5? I didn't get plus and 5. Hey, you have doubt, you please unmute and talk to me here.
So 326 plus 5 is, then there's a plus 326 plus space 5. So
326 plus space 5. Okay. Okay.
So finally it will be.
Wait. 326 plus 5 here. Okay. Okay.
So the final answer will be 326 plus 5 is 326 space 5, no?
No, it won't be. Why space? No, that space is not considered. The space only after within the string is considered.
Okay.
See here, 1 second, wait. There is a space here. That is why I have given a space. Did you see that?
Okay.
If you want a space between this, then you should have had one space in between like this. In my program, it should have been changed like this and then plus 5. Then there would have been a space.
Okay, got it.
Got it? Okay. And someone asked about 331. Who is that? Rahul. Rahul, if you want 330, 331, okay? Correct. Exactly. See, Shekhar gave the answer. It should be within bracket. 326 plus 5. Rahul, is that okay? Did you get that? Rahul, did you get that? Fine?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, pa. Fine. So, Firasat, continue. Next one.
Okay, sir. 326 plus 5.0 is?
326 plus 5.0 is, yeah. It is same thing. 326 plus 5.0. 326 5.0. Yeah, see, Snowfina is telling that is the right answer. 326.50. Okay, now next one. Tell me what is the next one.
10
Guys, 1
in
second. Guys, second one is okay. Second one is okay. 326.5.0. Is that okay, guys? Yeah, everyone? Everyone okay? Awesome. Right. Third one now. Come to the third one.
10 into 4 divided by 8 is.
Right, let me write it out. Okay. 10 multiplied by 4 divided by 8. Okay. Is with a space. Okay. Then plus 10 multiplied by
4 divided by 8.
8. Okay. Now tell me what will happen now.
10 multiplied by 4 by 8 is 10 multiplied by 4 divided by 8.
Hey, why 10 multiplied by 4 divided by 8? How is it? That is why I gave you this problem. How is it? Yeah. Tell me.
So,
This is an expression, right? So
Yes,
this
sir.
gets concatenated with this expression, right? Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
This one, this string must plus, see, only plus is used for concatenation. This string is getting concatenated with this expression, right? So what is this expression? Okay, it is in bracket. What is 4 divided by 8? It is, I think, 0, right? 0 multiplied by 10 is what? 0. Therefore, it should be, okay, 10 multiplied by 4 divided by 8 is 0.
0.
This will result in 0 and 0 gets concatenated. So this is the answer. Is that okay? Hello, is that okay?
Oh,
Fish,
sir, I
sorry.
didn't got it, sir.
Hey, very simple, yeah. Now, what are you concatenating with?
Concatenating with the
This is
expressions.
an expression. What is the value of this expression?
10, okay.
What is the value? What is 4 divided by 8?
0, sir. Yes, sir.
0 multiplied by 10 is how much?
Yes, I got it now, sir.
So this becomes is 0. This becomes a string. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
I know you will get confused. That is why I gave you this problem. Guess the output. Okay? Yeah. Next one.
Yes, sir.
Next one.
10.0 multiplied by 2 plus 4 is.
Tell me. Let me see who will answer that. Tell me.
Sir, is 10.0.
10.02. Okay. 10.0. Sorry. 10.0 is it? 10.
Yes, sir.
10.0
Multiplied by
2 plus 4 is, okay, then we have plus, then we have 10.0 multiplied by 2, then
plus 4.
tell me, what is the output of this?
Sir, I guess 10.0 multiplied by 2 plus 4 is 20.04.
Exactly, right now. So it becomes, how much does this become? How much does this become? This becomes 20.0, correct? And then we have 4, right? And then this, so this is 10.0 multiplied by 2 plus 4 is, okay. So first this gets concatenated and then this 4 gets concatenated with the string. Therefore it becomes, okay, 10.0 multiplied by 2 plus 4 is, okay, this 20.0 gets concatenated with this, therefore it becomes 20.0, and this 4 gets concatenated with this entire string, this entire thing, it becomes 20.04. Guys, did you understand? Did you understand this concept? Okay, I've tried my best to explain you this. Okay. Okay, so Anusha is now asking why not addition, sir? Why it should, see, when you have good case, nice. Now we are asking why not addition. Who is that? Who is asking why not addition? Anusha, no? Anusha, can you unmute yourself and talk to me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anusha, you are attending my
Sir,
class for the first time?
No, sir. No, sir. Sir, when we use brackets only, it takes us addition, sir.
I mean, it will evaluate that actually. It will evaluate.
Sir, I have confusion when someone told about brackets also, no, sir.
No, that is only when you want to group a group of statements actually. Suppose you wanted to do 20 plus 2 like this. Okay, it will do this addition. This is given the priority. This will be given the priority. This is used for evaluating an expression. I am telling boss, this is together. So first evaluate this. Okay, no, then it becomes 20. Suppose, see, there's a difference between, okay, Anusha, you're there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Listening, sir.
Anusha, there is a difference between Anusha, okay, Anusha plus 20 plus 20. Okay, so how will this get evaluated? This is one thing, one story. The other story is Anusha, okay, plus 20 plus 20 within a bracket. Is that okay? This is the next story, first story, and this is the second story, correct? No, now tell me in this case, okay, so basically what does this bracket say? Bracket says, boss, you first evaluate this. This is having the highest priority. I'm grouping it together. Anusha, getting it?
Yes, sir.
You getting it or simply saying yes, sir?
No, sir. No, sir. Really, I got it, sir.
Bracket means evaluate this together. This is together. Please evaluate this together. Therefore, this becomes Anusha plus 40. See, it becomes like this. Anusha
40.
Anusha plus 40. Okay, no. Whereas this one, okay, there is no. This is starts
sir.
concatenating, right? So first it becomes Anusha, okay,
Yes, sir.
20, and then 20, 2020, like this.
20, 20.
Is that okay?
Yes. Now I'm clear, sir.
Very good. Okay. Now solve the next one,
Yes, sir.
Anusha.
Thank you, sir.
Anusha, next one. Second one. Anusha, you're there online?
Yes, sir. I'm there, sir.
Second one. Solve the second one now.
Double x is equal to 1.0 and y is equal to 5.0. Double z is equals to x.
Let me write here. Double x is equal to how much? 1.0.
1.0.
5.0. Okay. Then
Double z is equal to x.
Double z is equal to, okay, post decrement plus pre-increment. Okay. Then tell me what will happen here. Quickly. Anusha, you're there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me what is the output of this?
Sir, it is difficult, sir.
Output is, it is difficult. Hello,
Yes, sir.
Anusha, it is what the output is, it is difficult.
Yes, sir.
Anusha, what is the value of x, what is the value of y, and what is the value of z?
1.0, 5.0, z is the result which is stored.
Explain how it will work. Explain clearly. Okay, Tyanesh, can I explain how is it? Tyanesh?
Yes, sir, I'm here, sir.
Tyanesh, it is Tyanesh or Dhyanesh?
You can spell it however you want, sir.
Hey, no, you tell me what is the right one.
In Tamil, it's Thyanesh, sir.
In Tamil, it is Thyanesh. And in
Yes.
English?
THY, sir. So
THY is Thyanesh in English also.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But I don't like Thyanesh, sir, so I use Dhyanesh.
Oh, okay. Then I will also call Dhyanesh. Yeah, Dhyanesh,
Yes.
tell me, explain how it works.
So x post decrement will be 1 only, sir, because after the expression only it will be changing.
No. 1 minute. 1 minute. So what will happen? X will get reduced, no? Here, X will get decreased.
It will not be reducing here, sir. It will be reducing after this line executes.
No, correct. See, I understand, but tell me what happens in this line actually. First of all, how does this post decrement work? If suppose I say, okay, Z, okay, is equal to, or say, okay, let me take the same example that I explained it to you earlier. Okay, if suppose I say B is equal to A minus, correct? Right?
Yes, sir.
I am trying to fetch the value of A and put it into B, correct? No, so how does this
Yes,
work?
sir. So if A is equal to 5,
if A is equal to 5, yeah, tell me.
Then 5 is will be shooted into B.
Yeah, therefore this becomes A equal to A minus 1, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, then first I will shoot the value of A. It means I'm fetching the value of A first, correct?
Yes, sir.
So I'm fetching the value of A.
So decreasing the value of A to
then I'll reduce the value of A. So it will become 4, correct?
Yes, sir.
First to shoot and then decrement is what it says, correct? So in this
Yes,
case,
sir.
what happens over here in X? First to take its value. So what is its value? First
1, sir.
Value. It is 1.0. Okay. I've taken
Yes,
1.0 plus. Meanwhile, what happened? This got decremented, isn't it? X got
Yes,
decremented, no? After taking its value, see, after taking A's value to B, A value got decremented, no? Here.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, when X value I took, what is the X value initially is 1.0. I took it. Okay. And X value is reduced. So what is X value over here now?
Now it's 0, sir.
It's 0. Therefore, I'll write it over here. X value is 0.0. Okay. Right. Then, okay. Plus what is there over here now? This is
5, sir. 5.0. We have to pre-increment it.
So pre-increment. So plus y. First it will increment, isn't it? Then I'll take its
yes,
value.
Sir.
So see here, it is like this. If I say B is equal to A, plus A. When I say B is equal to, okay, plus a. What is the meaning of this? Okay, it means b is equal to a plus 1 is equal to a. It means first increment the value of a and then store the value of a into b, correct? No?
B, yes, sir.
Right? So it becomes 6 and a also will be 6 and b also will be 6.
B
so
also will be 6.
Fetching the value of a after incrementing. Therefore, 5 I am pre-incrementing, therefore it becomes 6.0, correct? No?
Yes, sir.
6.0, right? So even y value.
So y will be 6 now.
Y will
6.
be 6.0 and adding 1.0 and 6.0 will be stored in z. What is that? It is nothing
We'll
but
be getting 7.0. Sir.
Correct. So I think you gave the same answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the output would be okay 0.0 and y is equal to 6.0 and z is equal to 7.0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Niveta, unary operator associativity is from right to left. Yes, Niveta, it is actually, it is right to left. All your not operator and all that. Okay. But yeah, but be careful with your, unary operator slightly behaves differently. Okay. In the same way that I have actually shown to you. Okay. Yeah. Slightly differs. Okay. The output would be x, y, and z as 0.0, 6.0, and 7.0. Is that okay, guys? Do you understand this now? Okay. Can you please write that in your material? Quickly write down in your material. Write that down in your material. Can I remove this from the screen? You want to write down something? No? Done? Okay. Is that okay? Hello? Yeah, okay. Now, next, okay, I'm going to explain you something important, so listen to me very carefully, okay? First thing is, what do you mean by encoding? Okay, right, what do you mean by encoding? Okay, encoding scheme or encoding. Okay, you call it as, right? Now, Firasat, you are there online?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Firasat, what do you mean by encoding?
Sir, I think to write a code.
Encoding means to write a code. This is your exam 5 marks answer. They'll give encoding is nothing but coding in n. Wrong.
No, sir. Actually, I thought since decoding is
No.
the code, that's why encoding must be writing.
Okay, no, wrong. Encoding is not that. Encoding. No, Jagdish, no. Listen to me. Okay. Okay, now listen to me. Okay. Joshua, can you unmute yourself and talk to me?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yeah, Joshua, tell me. What do you mean by encoding scheme, man?
Sir, I think it's converting into ones and zeros, sir.
Okay, encoding is, yeah, correct. So encoding is basically nothing but, I mean, he told it in a very simple way, that is converting into zeros and ones. Okay. Now you remember that I told you when you say in C, let me take C example of C language. Okay. Let me now take example of C language. Don't worry if you don't know C. Okay. Now in C language. Okay. So Joshua, if I say char, okay, CH is equal to within single quote A, like this, correct? No, Joshua, right? Now
Yes,
tell
sir.
me memory, what would be there actually there? Okay, this is CH and this is some address, hexadecimal address 100, and what would be there inside this? Tell me.
Sir, in C it will be ASCII, sir.
It's ASCII value, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
It would
Yes,
be an
sir.
ASCII value, correct? No. So the question
sir.
is, why is this character getting converted into ASCII? Tell me.
Sir, there is no any way to save the character, sir. So it is being converted into a number.
Why should it convert into a number?
Sir, for the computer to store.
See, in memory, if suppose whatever you store in memory is always in zeros and ones, yes or no, guys? It's always in 10, 10, 10, 10. It is always in this. Always your computers will only work with zeros and ones, binary. Okay. When I say zeros and ones, it is not 0 and 1. Computer won't even understand 0 and 1. You know what is that computer will understand? Computer will only understand, okay, closed circuit and open circuit. That's all. If it is closed, it means there is a voltage over here, and it is considered by programmers as 1, and if the circuit is open circuit, it means that is considered as 0. Okay, even computers won't understand 0 and 1. We consider that voltage passing and not passing as 1 and 0. Correct? No, Joshua? You understand what I'm saying? Right.
Yes,
now what happens is, okay, if suppose I say int a is equal to say 8, if I write like this, then it is easy to, for the compiler to store this 8 into a memory, named with a in some address 200. Why? Because this 8 is easy for, to be represented in binary 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. It is easy for the compiler to, the system, the computer system to represent 8 in binary. Okay. Whereas if I want to represent some characters, okay, now do you think it is possible to represent this character A in binary format, guys? Tell me, is it possible? Only numbers can be represented in binary format. Yes or no, zeros and ones and all that. Only numbers can be represented using binary format and not characters. Okay. But still, because in real world, we have to deal with a lot of characters. Okay. We have to work with characters, right? So for that reason, okay, we will say that we want to store a character, but internally what happens is that the language will convert that into its equivalent binary number. That is your decimal number. That is nothing but 65. Correct. So that why am I putting it 65? So that while storing it becomes easy to store that into binary format. You're getting what I'm saying, guys? Yes or no? Did you understand? Understood? Not understood? Understood? Not understood? Okay, it is not needed for you, but still I'm just giving you some internal details right now. So if I want to store this character, there is no way that I can store it directly in binary format. Therefore, this universally what happened is that, so they formed a committee and they thought, okay boss, for all these characters, well, let us give a number, so that when you're actually storing those characters into memory, its equivalent number will get stored, so that it becomes easy for us to represent in binary, so that it will be easy for anyone to actually to store that numbers or to represent that numbers in binary format. Guys, did you still understand? Little bit you'll have to think what I'm actually telling you. Okay, no? Okay, everybody are asking, repeat. Let me tell you once again. Okay, I'll have to go back. Okay, now first thing is, okay, let me tell you this first thing. Okay, any data that you store in a computer, okay, will be in which format? Any data that you can actually store in a computer on a computer memory will be in which format? Okay, it would be binary, correct? No, that is 1 0 0 1 or whatever it is, it will be in binary format. Yes or no? So if you want to convert this into binary format, okay, what is that you need? But can human beings speak in this language, binary? Can human beings speak in this language, guys? Binary 0 1 1 1 0, you cannot speak. So you have something called as decimal numbers. Yes or no? Yes or no? So all these digits and all can, so yes or no? So can the computer convert the 65 into binary format? Possible? Is it possible? Yes or no? 65 can be converted into binary format, no? Yes or no? Our compiler can convert that into binary format. Possible, no? Yes or no? Right. No. If suppose I want to store A, tell me the binary format for A. Is it possible? Is it possible to have the binary value for this? No, right? So what they did is they thought, let us have one integer value for this, so that which can be easily represented in binary format. Okay, so universally they accepted few values for A, B, C and all that, and they are called as your encoding values. And ASCII is one kind of encoding scheme. Unicode is another kind of encoding scheme. Okay, so encoding scheme is nothing but a scheme that will represent a character, okay, to its a number that represents a particular character, okay, from any language, is basically called as an encoding scheme, and that is done so that it is easy for the compilers to represent that in binary format. Is that okay? Clear with this? Okay, not okay? Still not okay? Okay, I'll have given you some Wikipedia link in the group. I think you must go and refer to that. This is not related to Java, but I'm just telling you, right? Now, in C language. Now, Joshua, can you please come online, Joshua?
Yeah, sir.
What is the encoding scheme used in C language?
ASCII.
Okay, so ASCII is the encoding scheme used in, your, what is that? In C language,
C.
right? No, and how many characters can it represent? Any idea how many characters at that maximum it can represent?
120.
Yeah, it can only represent 128 characters. That's all. In C language, you cannot represent more than beyond 128 characters. ASCII can only represent 128 unique characters. Correct? No, it cannot represent. Say for example, A, B, C. All these things can be represented using your decimal value, right? 128 characters. That is, this is 65, this is 66, and small a would be 97, 0 would be 48. Like that, you have some encoding scheme, correct? Now, can you represent, Joshua, can you represent Tamil characters in C language?
No, sir, no.
It's not possible, correct? No, guys. So that is why they have one more, they came up with one more encoding scheme called as, what is it?
Unicode.
Unicode. Okay, they came up with something called as Unicode, correct? No, so Unicode can represent bigger, most of the characters, okay, most of the language characters that are needed, okay, can be represented using Unicode, right? No, and it is represented in which format? Hexadecimal format. Which format, guys? Which format? It is represented using, put that in the, it is represented in hexadecimal format. Okay, so in Unicode, even ASCII is also there. You're understanding what I'm saying? In Unicode, even those ASCII characters are also covered. You're getting, guys? Yes or no? Did you understand? Okay. In this Unicode is so big, out of Unicode, even ASCII characters is also covered. Correct? No? No. Okay. So you can represent Kannada characters, Tamil characters, French characters, Chinese characters. All these things are possible, right? Now, how do you represent a character, guys, in C language? Joshua, can you come online and tell me? If suppose I want to store a character in C language, how will I store it?
Sir, in quotations, sir, single quotes.
Single quotes. Yes or no? Within a single quote I do. Correct now, guys? Correct. In Java, if suppose I want to actually store a particular character, so what will I do actually? I mean, if I want to represent the Unicode value, how will I represent? Okay. See, I've given you in the material. See there? See there? Page number 19. Page number 19. Page number 19. Did you see that? Okay. Char CHO is equal to, did you see that? /u. It should start with /u, indicating it is Unicode value, and the hexadecimal value 0041. This is corresponding hexadecimal value for ASCII value. I mean, that is 65. Let me see that. 1 second, wait. Let me confirm that with you guys. 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Now tell me, what is the ASCII value of 65? I mean, sorry, what is the ASCII value of EA? Put that in the chat box. Joshua, what is the ASCII value of EA, man?
65, sir. 65.
It is seen here, no? A is 65, no?
Yes, sir.
Which is this format?
Decimal.
Decimal format. And in Unicode, which format it will be represented?
Binary.
A in
sorry, hexadecimal.
In hexadecimal, correct? So this A we'll see in hexadecimal, no? How much is it? This is hexadecimal.
Yeah,
what
sir.
is A?
41.
41. So have I put /u 0041?
Yes, sir.
The material 19 page number. Guys, did you see that? Did you see that, guys? Yes or no? So that is representing A. Correct? No? See the last line of that material that I've given you, Unicode and ASCII code. I've given you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. See the fifth point. Guys, see the fifth point. What does it say? Joshua, can you read that fifth point?
Unicode also includes ASCII codes with /u 0000 to /u 007f, corresponding to the 128 ASCII characters.
You're understanding it? Okay. Now, Naveen Shankar is asking, what is that 00 meaning? Okay. See, Naveen, it is the value that is starting from 0000 to FFFF. That is the value. Okay, so hexadecimal value will start from 0000 in Unicode. It starts from 0000 to FFFF. That is a hexadecimal representation. Is that okay? Right? Okay, Joshua, can you read out the code now quickly? Read out the code now.
Unicode test code, sir.
Okay, it is a Unicode test. Then I have a main method. In that I have a character CH is equal to A, and I'll print. Tell me.
Print CH.
No, print CH. See the output whether A is printed or not. Turn the page and see whether A is printed. A is printed, no? Joshua, yes or no?
Sir, I can't see it, sir.
In the next page, I've given you the output. In the next page.
Yeah, sir, A is printed, sir.
A is printed, no output?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. Next you say.
Char CH0 is equal to /u 0041.
So same A I have used ASCII, I mean your Unicode value now. Instead of character A, I have put Unicode value /u 0041, and I'm trying to print that. See what is getting printed?
The same, sir.
Same A is getting printed. Do you see that? Okay. Yes. Next, what is there? Next.
There is a for loop. Char KN is equal
KN is nothing but Kannada characters. I have tried to print Kannada characters starting from /u0 0C80 to 0C5. And each time I'm doing if you don't understand for loop, it is okay, forget about it. I just want to show you that I can also print Kannada characters over there. Okay, you can also try out for Tamil characters and print write the program for that and put it in the WhatsApp group. Is that okay, guys? Just Google about Unicode values for Tamil. You'll get to know the Unicode values. Is that okay? Right. Don't ask me, Subhash, what is the Unicode characters for Tamil or what is the Unicode characters for Malayalam and all that. I don't know. I have not memorized it. Is that okay? Right? You can search in Google what is the Unicode characters, put there, and you can get. Now, what is the next one, man?
Chinese, sir.
I put Chinese also. I think that is in Chinese you will say hello in that way only. I googled Chinese characters for Unicode and I put it over there. Okay, so China 1, China 2. Did you see Chinese characters, guys? Yes or no?
Yes,
So
sir.
today's assignment is I want you to work out with different Unicode characters and see what will be the output. Will you do that? Guys, will you do that? That is your assignment today. Okay. And I want you to print all Tamil characters, Kannada characters, Telugu characters. Telugu also you have to put Telugu characters, and any other South Indian languages, Malayalam characters. You have to put Malayalam characters also. Everyone must do that today. Okay. So just Google what is the, let me see if I try to Google. Okay. Unicode for Telugu characters. Let me see what will happen. Guys, did you see this? Telugu characters? Okay, you can see Telugu here. Guys, can you see or not? Yes or no? Can you see? Okay, so try this out. Telugu from 00, some 0C00. You just put this and see, you'll get. Okay, let me try to run this code for now. Okay, where is my code? Oh, where is this code? 1 second. It is ASCII code, no? Unicode. Guys, can you see any Unicode here? Why this Pratiksha has come here in my Pratiksha.java? Guys, can you see anywhere Unicode program? Is there any Unicode program, guys, here? No? You can't say anything, no? Second go get bits, logical means to second set bits. Okay, I think you can try it out by yourself. Yeah, that was the very simple one. Nothing to evaluate. Let me see what is there. Evaluate. No, it is not there. Guys, can you try it out by yourself? Is that okay? Will you try it out? Okay, I have given you the output in the material. That is the reason might be. Okay. Okay. Right. Fine. Try it out. All Malayalam, Telugu, Tamil, everything you must try it out. Okay. Yeah. Cool. Now. Okay. So let us go to the Joshua. You're there?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
We'll give rest to Firasat. Joshua will give work. Okay. Yeah. So guys, can you see one more output over? I mean, one more exponent operations. Exponent operation. Did you see that, guys? Exponent operations.
Yes, sir.
Did you see that? Okay. So what does it say? Can you read it out?
System out println math.pow 2,3.
Yeah. Math.pow. Okay. So what does it say? 2,3. So what is this equivalent to? What is this called as? Tell me. Let me see who will answer this. What is this called as?
Math is a class, sir.
Math is a class. Very good. Math is a class. And what is this called as? It is called as a method. Okay. And I also told you something yesterday, right? What did I tell you? Whenever you have a method being called with respect to a class, then what kind of method is this? Static method. It is called as a static method. I told you, no? So remember, I'll tell you, there is a separate chapter called as static. Don't worry for now. Okay. So always keep in mind, whenever you come across a method being called with respect to a class, okay, then it means what? This is basically a static method. There are two ways in which you can call a method. Okay. One is directly, one is with respect to an object. The other one is with respect to a class. Okay, so whenever you call any method with respect to a class, it becomes a static method, and when you call any method with respect to an object, it is called as a non-static method. How, what and all we'll discuss after page number 65. Let us not bother about it now. Okay, so now what is the meaning of math.pow? What am I trying to do here? It is equivalent to writing 2 to the power 3. You're understanding? This is equivalent to writing 2 to the power 3, and therefore this will give us the output as 8.0. Is that okay, guys? Is that okay? So why I gave you this is might be, we have some program which will make use of this. So just understand this for now. Okay. Now, okay. Now, what is the next? Did you understand this, guys? Shall I proceed further? Do you understand this? Okay. Yeah. What is the next one, Joshua? Tell me. What is the next one?
String of Java. The string
okay.
of Java.
There is a separate chapter itself dedicated to string. Let me show. Okay. Let me, I don't know which page number. Okay. Go to page number 89, guys. Go to page number 89. Quickly go to page number 89. 89 page number. Go to page number 89. Everyone. Because I will be telling, there is a separate chapter, there is a separate chapter. You might feel I am lying. That is the reason. Okay, I showed you. Go to page number 89. Did you see that, guys? Did you see that there is a complete chapter called as the string of Java? So there I will discuss in detail about string of Java for now. For now, temporarily, you must understand only so much. Whenever I write a string like this, Subhash, whenever I write a string like this, it means, okay, internally they are represented as single characters. Is that okay? This is basically called as a string. Okay. Now here, listen to me. When I say 1, 2, 3, what is this? What is this? What is this? It is basically a string 1, 2, 3. And when I say 1, 2, 3, this is just a number. It is an integer 1, 2, 3. This is a string 1, 2, 3 because it is given within double quotes. And this is 1, 2, 3. You're understanding, guys? Okay. Okay, you're understanding. Let me make you more. Okay, I'll tell you how this is stored in memory. When you say 1, 2, 3 within double quotes, it is stored like this. I mean, it is not shown to you in Java, but I'm just trying to show you how it might look. Okay, one character, second character, and third character. Don't worry if you're not understanding. It is stored like this, whereas this one is stored in one box called as 1, 2, 3. That is the difference between this and this. What is this called as? Tell me. What is this called as? A string. This is basically an integer. Is that okay, guys? Is that okay? Did you understand this? This much is enough. You have to understand only so much, that this is a string and this is an integer. More about strings I'll be discussing in a separate chapter. For now, don't worry. Okay. And in this chapter, we have something called as the GUI program. GUI. Did you see that GUI? Let us have fun with GUI. Correct? No. So this I will not be explaining now. I will be explaining it to you when I teach you GUI programming at the end of the course. Detailedly, I'll be telling you. Okay. Now, let us see this. Pradeep, you said single character. Suppose if we want to retrieve the first character. Pradeep, can you unmute and talk to me quickly so that I'll understand your doubt? Pradeep, can you unmute and talk to me quickly? Only then I'll understand your doubt. Pradeep. Pradeep is not.
Hello.
Pradeep, tell me.
Hello.
Sir, tell me, Pradeep.
Sir, you said that it was stored in a single character, no, sir? That Subhash programming class.
Not in single character. Each one will be stored as a separate character.
Yes, sir. Suppose if we want to retrieve that first letter, yes, what should we do, sir?
Wait till page number that 89, no. Till that 89, you be there, no. Have patience, no. We will have lot of methods to do that. Okay, Pradeep?
Okay. Okay, sir.
For now, you have to understand only one thing. That is, this is basically called as a string and this is an integer. That's all. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, man. Thanks, man. No problem. So GUI, I'll tell you later when I'm teaching the GUI programming. So for now, so guys, can you come to this page number 24? Can I come to page number 24? Come to page number 24, guys. After coming, just say came. Just say came. Okay, right. So Firasat, you're there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So read out the true and state true or false quickly.
And, R are known as short circuit operators. False, sir.
Okay. Others, guys, true or false? False. Okay. Put that in the book. Write down in the book. Next one.
Phi and true results in true. False, sir.
False, because it should have a Boolean expression.
Boolean expression.
Boolean expression. Okay, next.
True or true results in false.
True XOR true. That is true XOR true.
True, sir.
True. Right, true. Not true. It is false, no? True. Okay. Correct. The answer is true. The answer is true, right? So true XOR true will result in false, and the answer is correct. Yeah, correct. Okay, next, fourth one.
The Unicode also represents ASCII code. True, sir.
True, correct. Okay. So fifth one, don't worry. Sixth one, don't worry. That is a part of GUI programming. Don't worry. Okay. Seventh one.
Left shift operator can sometimes be used for replacing multiplication operator.
What do you think?
No. False.
Okay. False. Okay. If suppose you have to do I multiplied by 8. If suppose you want to do I multiplied by 8, correct? No? How will you do this? Okay, you can say I left shift of 3. Correct? No? I left shift of 3 is equivalent to I multiplied by 8. Okay, so how we'll discuss tomorrow, don't worry. So this is possible. So say true. Left shift operator can sometimes be reused for replacing multiplication operator. So write true. How we'll see tomorrow. Okay, write true there. Okay, next one.
B equals to A plus plus is same as B equals to plus plus A.
What do you think?
False.
False. It is not same. It is false.
Post increment and pre-increment are different.
Yeah, correct. Now fill in the blanks.
Mapping of characters to binary representation is known as
Dash. What is that?
encoding.
Exactly. Next one.
Divided by operator gives the quotient and modulo gives the remainder, sir.
Okay, correct. Next one. Third one.
Unicode characters in a char can be represented from
Dash to dash.
/U000
0 I think I've given you some number in the material. 0000 to 007F.
0007F, sir.
Okay, right. Then
Among and or dash of and operator is having the higher priority.
okay, all right. Next one.
They are dash bitwise operators in Java. 7, sir.
Yeah, correct. Next.
Dash operator can be used to mask a bit and dash operator can be used to set a bit.
Mask means what? If there is a 1 bit, you have to make it as 0. And if it is a 0, you have to make it as 1. This is called as setting and this is called as masking. Bit, I'm not talking about number, I'm talking about a bit, binary bit.
Negation.
No, that is the whole number will get negated. I am talking about only one single bit. Only one single bit I'm talking about. Jyoti is right. Jyoti claps for Jyoti. Correct. No. If suppose you have a single bit and you want to, you want to make it as 0. So what will you do? AND with the 0. That you want to mask it. You want to mask this. Therefore, it is AND. If you have 0 and you want to set this, then you will say OR with 1. This is OR, bitwise OR with 1. Therefore, it will become 1. This is called as setting. So write as bitwise AND and bitwise OR. Write down. Bitwise AND and bitwise OR. Guys, write down bitwise AND and bitwise OR. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, match the following.
And
OR.
Short circuit operators, sir.
Okay, next.
And or XOR bitwise can be used for string to integer.
Quickly. Guys, why are you not chatting? Yeah, come on, put that in the chat box. No.
Bitwise operators.
It is bitwise operators. Okay, bitwise operators. Okay, right. Then
Integer dot.
Okay, don't worry
parse
that one. It is actually used for converting strings to integer. Okay, so we'll do that tomorrow. Next, I mean in the GUI operations. Next.
Left shift. Can be used for multiplication.
Okay, then.
Right shift.
Used for division.
It can be used for division.
Okay, how we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay, then.
Right shift with 0 padding.
So it's the most significant.
Right shift with 0 padding. It's the most significant. Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Right now, come to page number 21. Come to page number 21. Okay, guys, the assignment for today is you have to evaluate that top program, problem, that int j is equal to 5 plus 6 multiplied by 4 minus of 50 plus b divided by 2. Okay, and what is j? You have to give me that answer. Is that okay, guys? Yeah, guys, okay, not okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, okay. So I think we'll wind up the class for today and tomorrow we'll continue. Okay, so you can ask me any doubts from today's session. Okay, so if anything that you can try by yourself, please do try. Okay, so anything related to the concept, any doubt is there, you are free to ask me. Is that okay, guys? Yeah, chalo, I'm waiting for your questions. Yes. Any doubts? Any doubt?
Sir, this is Niveta.
Yeah, Niveta, tell me.
Sir, can you tell me the guess the output unary operator once again, sir?
Guess the output unary operator. Where is that? Guess the output unary. Where is it?
Page number 19.
19. Guess the output unary. What is it? Unary.
Sir, x minus plus. Sorry, post increment, pre increment. Sir, I'm so sorry. Sir.
What you did not understand? Tell me.
Sir, how the value of z became 7.0?
Okay, you will tell me, I will solve it. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
Solve, tell me. First, how does it work? X value is initially 1.0.
Yes, sir.
Y is equal to 5.0. Okay, then tell me. Next.
X minus
Z is equal to X minus plus Y.
Y.
Then?
Okay, sir. My doubt is, sir, here we have to evaluate from the Y or X, sir.
You have to evaluate from the Y or X.
Yes, sir.
You can evaluate in either way, not a problem, because this is having the brackets, right? So this will get evaluated first.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay means what? Like, I didn't understand. You got the output?
No, sir. You explain this bit more, sir. Here.
Okay. So what is okay? What is plus Y?
Plus Y means first we have to increment the value of Y, and then we have to store the result.
Yeah, you increment the value of Y here.
Here 6, sir, 6.0.
So Y value, so this entire expression became how much?
6.0, sir.
6.0. Clear?
Okay, okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we'll come to this.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now it is post decrement, correct?
Yes, sir.
First, I'll take the value of X and then only decrement X.
Okay, sir.
What is the value of X?
1.
1.0, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then I decremented X value.
Yes, sir.
When I
0.
decrement X value, what will X value be?
0.0.
X value became 0.0, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but Z value has to be evaluated now. For that, I have to add these two. 1.0
Yes, sir.
and 6.0.
Okay, sir.
So 1.0
Now it is
plus 6.0, 7.0.
7.0. Okay, sir.
And Y is 6.0. Y, I added it, no? Here.
Yes, sir.
It is 6.0.
Okay, sir. Clear, sir. Now. Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
no problem.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir. Dhyanish here.
Yeah, Dhyanish, tell me.
Sir, in the fill in the blanks third one we did just now, sir.
What is the question?
So we gave the answer as backslash U 4 zeros to backslash U 007F, no, sir. The answer should be backslash U 4 zeros to backslash U FFFF, no, sir. Because they are not asking for ASCII, they are asking for character, no, sir.
Unicode characters in a char. I think I meant ASCII only. It became a char.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Guys, any other question?
Sir, hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, in that exponent operation, 2, 3 evaluates to 8.0, no, sir. Is it 8.0 or 8, sir?
8.0.
Sir, always it will be double or?
Math is always double only.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
If we give either int or double, it will return only double, right, sir?
No, it'll, yeah. You give the input, the 2, 3, it will give you double only. The result will be double. If you want to make it as int, typecast it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, this is Nofina.
Yes, Nofina.
Sir, guess the output second one, the double x is equal to 1.0.
1 minute. Guess the output. Where is that? Which is that?
Page number 19.
Okay.
In that, x minus becomes 0.0, sir. 0, sir.
X value.
X.
Yeah.
Then it's plus y is 6.0.
No. It's not X like that. When I want to evaluate this expression, right?
Yes, sir.
First, I'll take the value of, okay, this is post decrement, right? How does
Yes,
post decrement work? First, I'll take the value of X for this expression. Correct? No, I'll take this value. What is X value first?
1.0.
Taken.
Yes, sir.
Evaluated, that done, plus. Okay. Meanwhile, this will get decremented.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yes?
Sir, this is Nida.
This is Mida.
Hello.
Tell me.
Yes, sir. Sir, can all try this now? Second question.
What is it? I didn't get you.
Sir, try this out. Second question for result 4.
Okay.
Can you solve that, sir?
We solved it, no, in the class. What is your doubt?
Not solved that. You solved first one, not the second one. Sir, in this bitwise operator and bitwise and is there.
You're talking
For
about.
that you did not say the precedence.
No, 1 second.
Try this out.
Try this out, second one.
4.
Okay.
Yes, sir, second one.
Your voice is not audible, yeah?
Sir, now?
But there is a lot of disturbance. Okay, tell me, what is it? Tell me.
Sir, can you solve that?
No, what to solve? You tell me. See, listen, I will solve, but before solving, I want to know what is that you did not understand. Tell me.
Sir, in this bitwise and is there, no?
That is not bitwise and, that is logical. I see there is lot of disturbance in your call. I don't know what it is.
Sir, I have some network issue. Can I text you like on chat box?
Yeah, okay, do that. Do that quickly. Guys, any other doubt that you have?
Sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, that x is equal to 1.0 and y is equal to 5.0. That's sir, I have a doubt in why are we not taking x post decrement as 0.0, sir? The same doubt.
Who is this?
Sir, Soumya Ganapati.
Okay. See, understand this very clearly, okay? What we need is, see, we have plus one expression on the left hand side, on the right hand side. Okay. I have to take one value over here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And post decrement. Okay. Post decrement. See, understand this. How does it work? Okay. How does this post decrement work? Okay. It works like this, right? So if suppose I have a is equal to 5 and then I say b is equal to say a minus minus. Okay. See, first thing is it will take the value of a wherever I want to use this. It will take the value of a into b and then decrement a value. Correct. That's how, and a value will be decremented. Now here I want to take one value over here. Correct. So what is the value over here? Okay, it is x minus minus.
Yes, sir.
And if it is x minus minus, first I have to take one value. It is see, this is equivalent to putting it into some other value over here.
Okay, sir.
So I will take this x value first. That is how it is. It will take that first value. That is nothing but what is that? It is 1.0. I've already taken. It is taken. Now this entire expression is considered. If instead of x minus minus, it would have been minus minus x. Then it would have been 0.0. It will consider that as 0.0. First decrement and then take the value. So it is x minus minus. First take the value and then decrement. So I'm taking the value first. That is why it is 1.0.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, if that x minus minus is given within bracket, if the result will change or not, sir?
Yeah, it will give you that here, no, like this x minus minus, right? Then it will give you that final value of what is that? 0.0.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, result 4 in that bitwise and bitwise, that is not bitwise and, that is logical Nida Fatima, that is not bitwise and, that is logical operator. That is not bitwise. Go to page number, come to page number 17. In page number 17, you can see in logical operator I have given and. That is not bitwise and, that is logical. Whenever you have any Boolean expression either on the right hand side or the left hand side of AND operator, that becomes a logical AND. And this is non-short circuit operator. If I put AND operator, both the side it will start evaluating. When I put AND, if the first, it will behave like a short circuit operator, and on the left hand side, if it is false, it will not evaluate on the right hand side. But if I actually remove this one AND over here, what happens? On both the side, it will start evaluating, and that is why this will give you a runtime error. Okay. That is not bitwise AND. That is logical non-short circuit AND. Nida Fatima, is that okay? Did you understand that? Yeah. That is not bitwise AND. That is logical non-short circuit AND. Okay. Yeah. Fine, guys. So meet you tomorrow in the, we'll continue the session tomorrow.
Sir, I am Hamsini, sir.
Yeah, Hamsini, tell me.
Sir, can you please solve this equation, sir? I have given in chat, sir.
Given in chat. Where you are given in chat?
If A is equal to 8.
Try it out by yourself, no?
Okay, sir.
Try it out, no, by yourself.
Okay.
You
sir.
can you can write the program and type it by yourself.
Sure, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Fine.
Sir?
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, Sahil's here.
Yeah, Sahil, tell me.
Sir, I was not able to hear, sir. It was showing connected. Can you say that what is U and AR that you wrote, sir, at the side?
What is that? U?
No, sir. At starting something you wrote, no, sir, from U. Yes, sir.
This
UARL. Yes, sir.
Whenever you have any operator expressions, no big expression, you have to first solve all the unary operators. Okay. And then the priority is given to arithmetic operators, and third priority is given to relational operator, and the fourth priority is given to logical operators.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, fine. Bye. Guys, okay?
Sir,
Yeah,
this is Nikita.
Yeah, Nikita, tell me.
In guess the output, the fourth question, test variable, that question, sir. Since we have logical and the left side of and is false, we can directly write the answer as false. But if it was true, then what would have happened?
Why don't you try and see?
Because the num by 0 will give you.
Correct. So why don't you try it and see?
Okay.
Instead of not equal to 0, make it as equal to 0 and try it out.
Okay.
Sir. Yeah.
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, how 1 modulus 2 is equal to 1, sir?
You don't know mathematics?
No, sir. Yes, sir. I know, sir.
You know, you don't know?
No, sir.
You don't know mathematics?
I know, sir.
Sir, what is when you divide 1 by 2, how much you get?
0.5, sir.
That is the quotient. What is the remainder?
Remainder.
Tell me. 4, when you divide by 2, you take 4 and divide that by 2, how much you get? You have 4 sticks.
Yes, sir.
You want me to teach mathematics also now?
No,
you
sir.
have 4 sticks divided by 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When you divide it equally by 2, how much is the remainder? Is there any remainder?
2.
Hey, where is the
Sir.
remainder here? Okay. Take 5 divided by 2. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct, no? So 2, 2. How much is remaining?
1, sir.
1. Correct, no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now I'll take 1 stick. Divide by 2. Is it possible to divide by 2?
No, sir.
How much is remaining?
1, sir.
That is the remainder.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, no problem. Bye.
Sir, and again, doubt, sir. Sir, 4 by 8, how it became 0, sir?
4 divided by 2. Okay, integer,
Yes.
operator, integer. 4 divided
No,
by
sir,
8.
4 by 8. Yes, sir.
So integer, operator, integer. What is the result you will get actually?
Zeros.
4 divided by 2.
Okay, sir. Operate. Yes, sir. Generally, I thought, sir, 1 by 2 will be the answer. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Okay.
Sir, how to differentiate between bitwise and logical and in an expression, sir?
Bitwise and you were there in my stress. Who is this?
Meghna, sir.
Okay, I think I have answered this question yesterday. You were there in my class?
Yes, sir.
You remember I told you if it is bitwise and, okay, on either left hand side and the right hand side there would be numbers. And if it is logical and, either it should be your Boolean expression.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Guys, okay? Fine, guys. Meet you tomorrow in the class then. Take care. Bye-bye.